ang utsura ko. Anyway, wala naman kami masyadong ginawa today. Kagagaling lang namin ni Jeremy sa TNT kasi bumili kami ng mga ingredients ng mga ihahanda namin para sa Christmas Eve. Otherwise, wala. Dito na kami sa bahay. Medyo hindi na naman maganda yung pakiramdam ko. Masakit yung puson ko, yung ulo ko. Alam niyo na kung bakit. So, ayun. Magsasaing lang ako ng kanin and then bumili na lang ako ng lutong ulam sa TNT and then meron kaming na-freeze na soup and i-reheat ko na lang yun and then yun na yung magiging sabaw namin for tonight. So, yeah. Wala akong lakas magluto today. Kain muna tayo ng kanin. Ito pala si Jeremy. Hi! Paborito niyang playground. Yung drawer tsaka yung pantry. Load mo tayong vlog ni Alex Gonzaga. Isa akong netizen, guys. Sobrang love ko to. Nanonood na ako ng mga vlogs niya since day 1 and wala pa ata akong na-miss na vlog niya. But right now, I'm behind, I think, two vlogs kasi sobrang busy na being a nanay and being a full-time worker. So, nakawala siya ng stress, nakakatuwa siya, natatawa ako sa mga jokes niya. So, sabi niya, Jeremy. Okay, pababa kami. Dito yung isa naming kaibigan. May na-drop off daw sila for Jeremy. Meron kaming gift sa kanila. So, thank you, Tita Pa, Tita Corinne, and kids for Jeremy's gift. Jeremy, tapos na. Pumups. Time check, it's 10:05 p.m. and kakatulog lang ni Jeremy. Lately, hirap siya makatulog sa gabi. Hindi naman sa hirap, pero parang mas gusto niya matulog like around 10 p.m. even though yung last nap niya was like at 2. So, gising siya for 8 hours. We try to stick to our routine, pero wala. Ayaw talaga niya. So, we just have to be patient until he falls asleep. But anyway, I'm gonna stay awake and then I'm gonna do some journal. Napansin ko lang na habang papalapit yung Pasko, parang mas nagiging, tawag dito, like, we get more intimate or not a little bit emotional, but you get to look back at the things that happened to you in the passing year. I used to journal a lot before. That's like one of my self-care things. But since I became a mom, it was hard for me to look for time for myself. So I'll try to do it again today and then try to look back at the things that happened this year, the things that I learned, the things that I'm looking forward to for the next year. And I just try to be grateful for whatever we have right now, especially our health. I'm gonna close this vlog now. I think Pasko na sa atin sa Pinas. So, nakakamiss din magpasko sa Pinas. But, masaya din ako magpasko dito kasi madami ding namang activities and I get to be with my family. And yun lang. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you tomorrow. Bye-bye!